Watch this. Every frame, every movement, every sound effect, all AI generated. No traditional animation software, no motion capture, just two tools and a repeatable process. Here's what this will actually do. Teach you how to create short, cinematic AI animations with consistent characters and smooth motion. What it won't do, make feature-length films or replace professional animators. This is for creators who want polished story clips fast. The process breaks into 4 steps. 1. Build a clean character reference. 2. Generate scene images with consistency locked in. 3. Animate those images with motion control. 4. Layer sound to make it feel real. Let's start. Step 1. Create your main character, not just any version, a clean reference version that AI can actually replicate across scenes. For this workflow, I'm using OpenArt because it gives me access to multiple AI models in one place instead of jumping between platforms, no extra logins and without wasting credits. Inside OpenArt, click Image, then select Nano Banana Pro as your model. Here's the character I'm building, a young mechanic in her early 20s, short messy hair, oil-stained tank top, tired but determined expression. I want her to feel grounded, not overly stylized or Pixar cute. Prompt example. A young female mechanic, early 20s, short messy brown hair, oil-stained gray tank top, tired but focused expression, realistic proportions, neutral lighting, plain background. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9, this matches video format. Resolution can stay medium for now. Hit generate. Pick the version that feels right. Don't overthink it, you'll refine it next. Now here's the trick most people skip. Generate a second cleaner version of this character on a plain white background with neutral lighting and a simple pose. Why? Because AI reads everything in an image. Shadows, colors, background clutter. The cleaner your reference, the more consistent your character stays across scenes. Drag your chosen character into the Omni Reference slot. Now refine the prompt. Prompt example. Same character, neutral standing pose, arms at sides, plain white background, soft even lighting, front-facing view. This is your hero reference. Save this image. You'll use it in every scene to keep her face, proportions, and style locked in. Step 2. Build your scene images. These are the frames you'll animate in Step 3. Let's start with an opening shot. Our mechanic standing in a cluttered garage at dusk. Tools scattered, a single overhead light flickering. Drag your hero reference into Omni Reference again. This tells the AI, keep this character consistent. Now write your scene prompt. Be specific about the environment, lighting, and framing. Prompt example. Wide shot of a small cluttered garage at dusk, mechanic standing near a workbench. Tools scattered, single overhead light, warm orange glow, cinematic lighting, 16:9 good. But here's where it gets better. Instead of animating this as one static shot, we'll create a start frame and an end frame. 2 moments the AI will smoothly transition between. For the start frame, I want the garage empty, no character yet. For the end frame, she walks into the light. Generate the start frame first. Prompt example. Start frame. Empty cluttered garage at dusk. No people, single overhead light, warm orange glow, cinematic, 16:9. Now the end frame, same scene, but she stepped into the light. Prompt example. End frame. Same garage, mechanic standing under overhead light, looking down at workbench, warm orange glow, cinematic, 16:9 perfect. Save both. These 2 images will become one smooth camera move. Step 3. Bring your images to life. Head to the Video tab. Select Kling 3.0 Omni as your model. This is where staying inside OpenArt saves time. You don't need to download images, switch platforms, or re-upload. Everything's already here. Drag in your start frame and end frame. Now write your motion prompt. This tells the AI how things move and how the camera behaves. For this shot, the camera slowly pushes forward as the mechanic steps into the light and looks down. Motion. Prompt example. Camera slowly pushes forward, mechanic walks into frame under overhead light, looks down at workbench, smooth cinematic movement. Set duration to 5 seconds. Hit generate. Look at that. Smooth motion, consistent character, cinematic feel. Now let's do a close-up shot. This time, we'll use a single image instead of start and end frames. Generate a close-up image first. Same process. Hero reference in Omni Reference, detailed prompt. Prompt example. Close-up of mechanic's face, grease smudge on cheek, tired expression, looking off camera to the right, warm lighting, shallow depth of field drag, this into Kling. For a single image animation, the motion prompt controls subtle movements, eye shifts, head turns, breathing. Motion prompt. Example, mechanic's eyes shift slightly to the right, subtle head turn, natural breathing, soft focus background. This is how you build emotional beats. Small movements feel more real than big ones. Quick troubleshooting. 3 things people ask. 1. My character keeps changing between scenes. Fix. Always use the same hero reference image in Omni Reference. Don't skip this step. 2. The motion looks jittery or unnatural. Fix. Keep motion prompts simple. Don't ask for too many actions at once. 1 or 2 movements per shot. 3. I got a weird duplicate head or glitchy frame. Fix. This happens. Don't delete the whole clip. Scrub through, find the clean frames, and use those. We call this mining. Pulling usable moments from imperfect results. Step 4. Sound design. This is what separates cool AI clips from polished animation. For this, I use ElevenLabs. You can browse their sound library or describe exactly what you need. For the garage scene, I need metal tool clatter, distant traffic hum, overhead light buzzing. Type it in, generate, download. Voiceover. Bring your sounds into your editor. Premiere, DaVinci, CapCut, whatever you use, and layer them where they fit. Match sound to action. Tool drops when her hand moves, light buzz when camera pushes in, footsteps when she walks. This takes 5 minutes and makes your animation feel 10x more professional. Here's the final result. Quick recap. 1. Build a clean hero reference. 2. Generate scene images with that reference locked in. 3. Animate with motion prompts in Kling 4. Layer sound for polish. If you want to follow along with the exact setup I used, same models, same workflow. I'll leave the link to OpenArt below. Everything's in one place, so you're not juggling platforms. That's it. Now go make something.